sister and I are dressing up. Can you guess what are we gonna be? I need a shirt. I'm gonna need the scarf.
Can I get your fairy wig?
I put on my special hat. And my sister makes me put on a moustache. It tickles my face. Can you guess what I am? Yeah! I am a cowboy!
What is this?
Putting on the dress. I have wings. And some sparkly shoes. I'm decorating this one unexpected. Can you guess what I am? I'm a fairy.